So today you might have seen a post on Caddx FPV's Facebook page explaining a firmware update for the DJI Air unit and the goggles and everything like that, and also the Air Unit Lite, which is the Caddx Vista. So I thought I would explain what is going on if it is not clear to you. Now, the writing I have in front of me might end up being different on the post, but it shouldn't be too different, so let's give it a go. It says, "Dear community, regarding the update of DJI Air Unit Lite, in brackets Vista, Caddx FPV would like to inform you." Now, I should say that this information is for the Vista, but it's also for the Air unit. It says, "This is a hardware update which, due to the shortage of chips, and has nothing to do with encryption." So there was a thing a while back saying that they were going to be encrypting the Vistas and Air units so that other cameras won't work with the Vista and the Air unit. So it says, regarding the question of whether the updated Air Unit Lite Vista will be compatible with Nebula Nano and other cameras, considering the concerns of many users, and we must be responsible to our users, we will no longer push the encryption upgrades of DJI Air Unit Lite Vista. And that is the same again for the Air unit. The performance of the updated DJI Air unit is the same as the old unit Lite, brackets Vista, please don't worry. Okay, so what's happening here is that there is a chip shortage for the cameras, but there is now a chip shortage for the Caddx Vistas and the Air units. And what they're saying is they are having to find replacement chips, different chips, that will perform the same in the Vistas and Air units, but it's going to require a firmware update. As of now, the polar cameras that are available, including the one that is on my giveaway page, that's going to be the old Vista, but eventually we're going to see these new Vistas come in. What is great about this is that they are not doing the encryption thing, and there's actually a reason for that. If they put an encryption on the Vistas and Air units so that you could only use Caddx cameras, then it turns out the Nebula Micro and the Nebula Nano would no longer work either. So maybe Caddx aren't allowed to say this, but I'm allowed to say it. The camera like the Runcam MIPI will work. Although I have to say, from what I've seen from the Runcam MIPI, it's got that sheen over the top. I wasn't that impressed. I would go with the Polar if it was my choice. But there you go. That is explaining what's going on at Caddx FPV. Now, it's really sad, man, this chip shortage. You know, if you're on the fence and you can find someone where to buy it, then I would do so. In fact, I'll put some links in the video description, affiliate links, and that will help me out as well. Anyways, that's the future of the Air units and also the Caddx Vistas. Cheers.